what they're doing.
They
I'm
don't.
going to let them handle it.
They don't. I would not work with a financial advisor that wasn't at least 15 years into it.
15, okay.
Because the past 10 years, the market's gone straight up. You could have been a monkey and made money in the stock market the past 10 years. You want somebody who went through the recession, who's been through it all. And they've seen the ups, they've seen the downs, and now they can keep their calm. Don't give me a 10-year track record. Give me a 20-year track record. Give me a 15-year. Start with the year that the markets crashed. And how did you do? So if you don't have an advisor that has been through all of that, danger. Number two, if they talk to you about